Hi there, you are watching the GetProspect tutorial. The topic of this video is search in GetProspect B2B database. Our database includes millions of leads with email addresses, which you can search by different filters. This database is constantly updating, and you can save as many contacts as you want from it. In order to start, click on the search section in your account. Here you can search for companies if you are looking for them. You can see available filters for your search here. For example, let's look for CEOs and owners in the United States, excluding New York. Narrow the search to match your needs by using our filters like job title CEO, owner, then select industry and employees and location. You can input multiple options in your search, and you can set up the filter to exclude certain search results. In this way, you will be able to find leads that are best suited to your ICP in a more efficient manner. Like we excluding New York from search results right now. Once you have added it, tap on it to exclude it. Use the domain search to find contacts for particular companies by typing domain names manually or importing the file with a list of domains. After inputting the search criteria, you can preview the results matching them. Press the Save button to save particular contacts. You can also save contacts in bulk by pressing the Save All Leads button and choosing the maximum amount of leads in total, and the maximum number of leads per company presented in the search. You can also choose a list and save your current set of filters for later. Press the Recent Activity tab to check your progress and the number of saved contacts. If you are working on two different searches, you can also be able to save two searches at the same time. You may find your added contacts in the list that you have chosen. And this is how you perform the search in the database. Leads Finder tool GetProspect is the best tool for multitasking B2B sales, recruiting, and marketing managers. Get started now by signing up on GetProspect.com. Thanks for watching.